Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this session we will see how to externalize the Oracle alert file using SQL. In many situations, developers need to access the alert file to analyze some problems occurring on the database, for example, problem with table spaces, online archive log, files, deadlock, or even 600 error. This file is located on the Oracle server and the developers usually do not have access to the Oracle server. In this view, you can find the location for this file. I will show you another easy way to get the location of this file. So what we can do to make this file accessible from everywhere by the developers. So we will externalize this file using external table. So let's see how to achieve that. For our demo, I am using a 12c database. You can use this view to find the file. And you see here the location of the alert file. You should know that there is two files. One is in XML format and the second one that lies on this path trace, it is a text file. So let us first look at this location, ls. So this is my server. And you see this is the file, and the file name consists of this prefix alert, and this is the instance name, and this suffix, this extension .log. So we can check also the instance name here. So as you see, this is the instance name. There is another way to get the location of this file. You can check the process view. And the alert file lies with the trace file. So this is the technique we will use. In our example, I am using sys. You can also use system or any other privileged user. So to get the path, you can use this query. And you see, using this query, you get the path to the file, and we will use this block to generate the code for our external table. See, this is the statement, create table, and the name is alert log, and we have only to replace the instance and so on. You will find this script in the description. So if we run this one, you see the output. This is the code generated by this script. So we can go through this script. I'm using JFow in case you have a rack environment. And as you see here, it is pretty simple one. Generate a statement to create directory, and this is the directory name, and the path is dynamically defined. The path is only the location of the alert file. And this is the external table DDL. Create table alert log inst one in case you have several instances. It consists of only one columns, varchar. The length of our varchar is 1024. This is enough to read the alert file. And you see it is an organization external type Oracle loader. This is the default syntax for an external table. Default directory is the directory created here. Record delimited by new line, and this is the location, and this is the name of the alert file. Reject limit 10,000. We can also use unlimited. We want to avoid any error. So let's see if this will work. Now I am creating the directory, and now I will create the external table. Also has been created. So let's try to access it. And you see we are able to access the alert file using SQL. So this was the way how to make the alert file accessible using SQL. And you can take the same approach to access the trace, the normal trace file, or any file on the server. So I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Thank you for watching, and bye.